Yo. Dang. Anyways, welcome back to my journey. It's day 72, I think. I just got confirmation that I passed all of my exams. So I'll start selling my PC and then look for a remote job to fund my trading and stuff. But that'll happen in the next few days. I'll also have to get a new passport because that one also expires tomorrow. So, yeah. The trading dashboard isn't ready yet. I'm still not sure how I'll design the layout, but yeah. But I did take a trade on EURUSD today. So, because of all of this news, I didn't want to take a trade on GJ. And if I look at the candles, it also would have been a pretty shit trade because, yes, we swept this and then went down, but the first low is down here. So there's nothing I could have traded. Maybe if I go down to the 1 hour and then, yeah, this sweep and then liquidity sweep happens at 11 a.m. Yeah, would have been a pretty shit trade. So that does not matter, however, because I only traded on EURUSD today. Hold on. This stuff is not loading at all. Maybe if I refresh it. Come on. Oh yeah. So before market open, we are bearish on the 4 hour. We have this massive fair value gap and then just 12 hours of price consolidating. So I mark out, no, because the liquidity sweep already happened, I use this tap into this fair value gap, on this bearish fair value gap, as my liquidity sweep. Then on the 1 hour, yeah, I use this. So then I can go even lower because both time frames are bearish. So I go down to the 5-minute time frame. Then I just used any high, and then the liquidity, then there was a massive imbalance that formed, and then we broke out of there. And then I used this high just to put my stop a bit above it. So if price were to take out this full imbalance, my stop loss would still be fine. But yeah, I enter here, and or I entered a lot lower, but the spread just fucked me a bit. But yeah, I entered here, and then just did a 1 to 1.5. Today price would have probably hit a 1 to 1 to 2. Yeah, easily, but I wanted to be safe. Use this as my exit point, because most of the time 1 to 1 definitely gets hit. But and then sometimes goes just straight up and yeah, goes to my stop loss. But yeah, so I entered, then price tapped into the order or fair value gap once more, then pushed out of that and then hit my TP relatively quick. As you can see, the whole trade lasted about, yeah, not even 2 hours. I entered there, so I prepared myself for like 15 minutes. I was awake earlier to sort out the setup, but yeah, I entered and then price just hit that. There was no particular liquidity, as I said. I just wanted to place a trade where I have a consistent TP, and I didn't want to do one-to-one because that would have been, well, yeah, that just wasn't enough for me. And I was confident in this trade because there was a good setup and all time frames matched. Maybe if the 1 hour would have been bullish, I would have only gone for one-to-one risk to reward, but yeah. And as always, I will show the proof. So if we'll go here to closed position, we see the sell. We see the P&L of $90 and the net P&L of also $90. So now I am back up 1% on my funded account. I was down 0.5% at my lowest. But yeah, the next goal is obviously to pass this one, and with this new refined strategy and some other changes I've made, and hopefully the new trading dashboard soon, that'll hopefully not take much longer to pass this account, get a payout, and then buy some more funded accounts, so I don't have to work anything else other than this. But yeah, that'll be it. Tomorrow, I think I will do a comparison between all popular Christian denominations. So I will compare Protestants, Catholics, and the Orthodox Church with another, because I've actually wanted to do this for quite some time, because I'm not sure which church I want to belong to, and I said, or because I didn't write my what I didn't write down what exercise I did, or what challenge I did on my test, that maybe they didn't pass me. So I said, okay, God, if you just pass me this one, then I'll finally put a date on that and figure out how to serve you correctly. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna own up to my promises. And yeah, see you tomorrow. It's way too late again. But yeah, life will get better.